I'm Lori, Head Cleaning Technician from Bride at Home Cleaning. Today I would like to show you how to best clean and disinfect the high-touch surfaces in your home. Always clean before you disinfect. The reason for that is if you spray your disinfectant onto a dirty surface, the dirt will absorb all the disinfectant and will not kill the germs. So I'm using a general all-purpose cleaner. This is Blue Dawn, and I'm spraying down the counter really good. I'm using a wet sponge and scrub it really good, get all the dirt, all the germs, anything sticky, any residue that might hold your disinfectant in and not allow it to do its job. Then I'm going to take the blue microfiber cloth and wipe the surface down. And we take that disinfectant and we're going to spray it on the surface. Really good. It needs to be wet. Now, the fact is that just cleaning the surface will kill 97% of the germs. If you just spray on the disinfectant, it will sanitize in 5 minutes and will clean 99.9% of the germ. If you spray the disinfectant and leave it on for 10 minutes, it will do 99.99999% of killing and disinfecting all of your nasty, like your viruses, germs, bacteria, everything. So we want to leave that on there and let it sit and dry. High-touch areas you're going to want to hit are all counters and tables, your kitchen table, your coffee tables, the tops of chairs, drawer handles, cabinet pulls, light switches, appliance buttons and handles, faucet handles, and the toilet flushers. And don't forget the stair rail. And again, you're going to want to wash really good, wipe that down, wipe it off, and then sanitize and disinfect with the disinfectant. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes in order to disinfect. Just let it air dry. One more high-touch area that you don't want to forget is the remote. And you can clean this by just spraying down the cleaner, because you've got to clean this first for the reasons that we talked about before. I just lightly wipe that off and then disinfect it. What you're going to do is you're going to spray down your microfiber rag really good so that it's good and wet, and then upside down you're going to let this work into the control area and leave it upside down so gravity does its work and pulls out any liquid that might still be on there, and just let it air dry. In the current circumstances, especially with shortages, the disinfectant we use is available for purchase. You can check out brideathomecleaning.com for details. If you have any cleaning questions, post them on our Facebook page.